caught my wife using menstruation pad to cook for me inside the kitchen.
Yeah. Where is your evidence?
I don't do darkness for 10 years. Only me the buru. My no correct.
I want to know. Tell me.
So for now, I'm pissed off.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Julie with the attitude that cures wahala. So today I'm here today with
Omotola.
Okay, today guys I'm here today with Madam Omotola. Okay, Muna just hear the reason why Madam Omotola contacted me, because I no go fit Muna hear from a mouth, understand.
Hello guys, the way thing happens about my husband. I don't know what I do for my husband. I married my husband for 10 years ago.
Mama, can you increase your voice so that they go hear?
I married my husband for 10 years ago. I'm not fighting with my husband though. Just like by 2 months ago now, my husband just packed from my house, go and rent another house. I know that house because I'm carrying the child to that house to go and greet them. But when I enter that house, if the time is going, maybe you go your house. I want do something. I want sleep.
Your own husband?
Yes.
But now they fight?
No, not be fight though. I'm not fight with her.
So waiting talk say be the problem?
I don't know, because I'm asking several times. Waiting they do for you, they not tell me anything.
But you don't carry maybe uncles or go ask them, go know the reason why impact come up from your matrimonial home or everything. Can't go in your own separate place saying you want to live alone. Why?
Yes, I'm carrying my own uncle go there, but you're not telling anything.
You not tell him anything? Yes,
I go to the mom, my husband's mother. My mother's mother told me, say me I go sit down. Even my friend. She don't say no anything. I don't ask your husband. Your husband says there's nothing happen.
Wow. Okay, guys. Now here wetin they try to talk. We say he and your husband they live and they don't get any issue. Bam, the man bagger, packing things, come out from the house. No be say the man not talk saying don't marry finish. No, the man just say the place where the man they stay safe not even far from where the matrimonial home day. So the man, but no be say the man no they still help them. She they see they help una, they give una money.
They give her money for food, but he eat our food again.
Say the man now, they give them money, but they shop their own food. Say the man say no one they stay the house. Just go rent your own house. And no be say the man they cheat on you that side. You carry another woman for that side.
No.
So the thing be say if you go carry children go visit the man go stay small tell and say make him start to dey go. Say he won't sleep. Say the children fit stay, but make she they go. Say he won't sleep. If you bring food for her, you go tell her say no one eat. Say no they eating food now. So the woman, she's really worried. She want to know the reason why her husband go leave their family. Where did they stay? Go they live for another house. And if she comes, say make she sleep. Your husband go push her and tell her say I bet make she they go. Say as in the man is actually treating her as like a stranger this time around. So she's feeling bad. You understand? And the man they want talk the reason why she's acting that way. So stay tuned. Although I don't already call the man. But the way this place, the place where this man they come from, very far, understand? I don't call and tell and say my pipe this thing get issue. I even offer to pay him very well, even pay both the transport and everything, because he say he's working at the site. So guys, stay tuned. Let's see how it goes, because more really know what to make the man, because the way she explained to me, understand? I try to understand. Say this man a very good man, because if anything happen, this man for don't go that place carry another woman, but marry another person. Instead they give them money, but they more just know the reason why the man they ask like that. So stay tuned, more wait for them, because now here I sit down today. You don't get anything what they do today. Stay tuned, may you come. Okay. You don't really get work where you go do for me, I beg. But the thing be say, now your wife be this. Now your wife now be.
Now my wife. Madam, wetin happen?
No.
As I see your call now, I forgo my work. Now go dey do my work. Wetin happen now? Why you call me now? You know say na money I take enter here now. Madam, before you call me for, I don't tell you say my money for bike, my transport here, you go pay go and for. Because I just buy finish me I dey go my work now, jeje. I don't want to lose my job. Wetin come? Wetin happen?
No, I tell you say you go do my own work for me.
See people for here now. See people wetin happen.
No,
But wetin happen now?
No, Oga, wait.
Hey.
You know, say you tell me say you go do my own work now. So no worry, I tell you say I go pay you. Going and coming back, I go pay you.
Wetin happen?
Say you tell me say na 12,000, I go
madam,
pay.
wetin happen?
Even the job wey you say you go do for me, you no go still do the job, but I go still pay for the job.
You go pay before. Wetin happen now?
I go pay now.
Wetin happen, madam?
Now you, but you know they see stranger here now. Consider her now. You know they no be stranger dey here now. No be your wife.
Madam, answer we no fight now. Yesterday, see they come my place, give her money for food, everything now.
I'm not fighting with you, but you leave me and my child with your house.
He say you leave am with children, come on, go another house, go dey stay. Why you go leave your marital home?
Madam,
and everything?
You no good.
Hey.
Madam, you no good. You be bad person.
How take me back?
She na by force say me and him maybe they sleep together for inside house.
She come me say she dey worried. Na him be the problem.
I don't get issue with am. She no get issue with me. I dey pay my children school fees. I dey send money for your account every week. But wetin want me I do?
But I'm come to your house, but we throw him out.
I don't want to.
You say
you don't want to see me?
You no wan make him just come the house, come sleep.
Madam, my oga no dey call me for phone.
Oga, wait.
Madam, see.
Oga, wait,
madam,
wait. I take go beg you.
Madam, wait, why they beg me?
I just want to know the reason why you just una dey stay the house, una dey live peaceful for like 10 to 11 years now. You come carry house, you go come up for that, go rent another place.
The time when they enter my place, you see any girl where they enter?
He say no, see, he don already tell me everything.
Abi, he demand say he won't buy food for his children. I say no.
Now una children now.
For our children, I say no. Abi, he won't buy clothes. I say no. I dey give am money everything he want. Just make him leave me at the good. I don't want to talk. I beg,
he say if he bring food for you, you know they eat.
Hey, me I eat in food. Madam, you don't like me. If you come,
I don't even know. That's why I come.
You don't like me.
You get wetin they keep for mind.
If I be your brother, I go tell me I dey eat this woman food.
Why you know they eat am? I won't know. It's worried. She's worried now.
Ask am.
Ma ask wetin. Tell me wetin to ask. Make her ask am now.
Ask am. Say why I know they eat in food.
Mama, why you know they eat your food? I won't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Now you come here. So why you know they eat your food?
Madam,
you say make her ask.
I don't know.
You tell me say make her do wetin you want.
She say she don't know.
You say make her ask am. So I dey ask.
Okay,
madam,
please. Oga, ask me anything wey you say make her do.
This is a public place. Are you getting my point?
Ma tell them make they come.
I don't tell you.
Muna shift abeg.
I don't want to expose my wife.
Muna shift now.
This thing is between me. Hey, Chineke, Baba God. Hey, I so God do. Now me and Baba God. Now this thing day. I don't want to expose my wife because I love my wife. I married her for good 10 years. She has been giving birth to me and I take care of her. I've sent her to abroad several times. So for now, I'm pissed off. Please. I don't want to expose my wife here, please. Please.
Okay, tell me.
Is it? But she say me you tell am. Madam, you get bad thing wey you dey do. Make you no talk am for camera. She will get camera
here.
If
I expose am here.
Because anything when you talk, I go post.
Madam, if I expose my wife here, the relationship don't pay me. If I expose her here, but as you dey talk, say me, I tell you now. Madam,
I want to know. Tell me.
You know, Sabi, madam, I beg, just go beg you. I love my wife because if I expose this thing, no more relationship again. So I beg you. But if they talk say, but my God they call me now. But I don't.
I wish you come now. Come they do work for me. You never finish work now. You never finish. So you go work the work for 1 hour. So give me that 1 hour because I'm paying for the 1 hour. Okay, so give me the 1 hour.
Because of you now. Me I talk am.
Make she talk. Make him talk. Sorry.
Talk.
Madam.
Wetin be. Madam Beth, I want ask you something. You get any bad thing where you dey do?
No.
Where you know want another ear here?
I'm not doing anything.
Because anything where they talk here, I go post am more.
I'm not doing anything.
You're not doing anything.
Yes.
Okay, I take up beg you. Just talk the thing. More know where we want from. They beg.
Madam,
because I don't understand.
This thing go scatter everywhere.
Me, I don't even think.
This is a calamity. Maybe say Percy, a responsible somebody for this life. No be here relationship of 10 years. I don't date that darkness.
Relationship, now marriage.
I don't date darkness. I don't date darkness for 10 years. Only me get buru. I no correct. 10 years. See, madam. See my wife. She's rascal. I caught my wife using menstruation pad to cook for me inside the kitchen.
Yeah. Yes,
you see, Madam, I don't tell you.
I beg, no accuser. I take God. No, I not saying you dey lie.
I dey lie.
Jesus.
Oh. Madam, I dey lie. Ask
no, I no talk say.
I dey lie. Madam, ask am.
Where is your evidence? Let me see your evidence.
That means she no do am now. She dey ask you where is the evidence. I no even know wetin to believe. Yeah.
Madam.
Sir.
As you call me.
Yes, sir.
I just dey rush. Take my phone. My second phone dey house. If you dey want to see this thing, may you wait. Me I go house go bring my phone. May you see am. May you put am. May you see am. Where he remove his pad with blood. Put it inside the egusi with vegetable. I should be eating vegetable.
Jesus.
Life.
Jesus.
My phone dey house. My phone dey house. I go show am. Say ask am. Chibi talk about don't take am. You don't am.
Madam, wetin wan make ma beg.
Madam, you see.
Beg wetin.
Because I love my husband.
Madam, please, I'm in shock. Make her calm down first. Make her get myself because you get no.
I dey para. Madam, I dey give me money. I don't dey go.
No, I dey para. Me self, I dey para. More para together because
give my money. I dey go.
I go give you. No one.
Give my money. May you just go and go park the boat.
Shey you don give am your account number. Need to go do the transfer for you. Jesus, how much be everything, Oga?
50,000.
Jesus Christ. But wait. Oga, you sure say you see, madam, I beg.
Say me I go bring my phone. Ni say that the lie ni.
I not just say
when they tell me now, me party when they go. I don't want them again.
No. Me una dey the way una dey before. I beg. Una no vex.
This thing me I dey tell you now. Social media go carry am. I don't mind that again. I don't do again. I don't profit me. I don't go away. I like just dey come. I beg. Me I don't dey go madam. If after leaving this place, may you go in house, go park in house, you go court, go do divorce.
Help me to beg my husband.
Madam,
help me to beg him.
Madam, before I reach where I go,
my husband, please.
I should see a lot.
No, that guy go do as transfer for you.
Help me to beg
that guy wey dey there,
please,
they go do transfer for you.
Please, help me to beg my husband. Please now.
Madam, wetin make you call me here? Jesus Christ. Did you God. Hey God.
No, because I love my husband. I don't
love your husband. Which kind of love be that one, man? Which love be that one? Hey, Jesus Christ. Which love be that one? Where is
my husband? I don't want to lose my husband.
Why they use those things they cook? Why? Which kind thing be that one? Wetin you want achieve? Wetin you want achieve, man?
Because I see my husband with his food, that's why I use it to ingest food.
Because you see her with another woman.
Yes, that is why I don't want to believe anything.
I don't want to believe anything when you talk like this now. As I did like this, I just tire. I beg, if you tire, just cut am because from here, tell Duba man, Muna put make everybody enter, more they go as I beg. I know. See, I don't today on I don't hear. I don't tire. Na house I won't go. I won't just process my head because my head don't full. I don't fit talk anything for this video. Jesus! Yeah! Hey! Mama, I no vex. Now you call me. And when you call me, we'll get this arrangement. Say, anything will happen, I go post am. He say yes. You don't already sign am, no vex. So, this video, I dey post am. I go post am. Go. I go post am because you don't already sign am. Before you come here, you see sign before we start this video. Because anything will happen, I go post the video. Jesus. Hey. Nah, no be even the man will go say, should we post? Nah. Oh, God.
I lose my husband.
Mama, no one hear anything. I beg, camera cut. Make her go house. Maybe, Mama, if you dey go house, when you reach house, we fit talk. But now, the things why I hear now, my head just full. I don't even dey understand anything again. I'm even this man cannot be lying. Say he get evidence. Yeah.
Okay.
Madam, you go. I won't just rest. If you reach house, call me. I go pick your call. No, I go pick. We go talk how. But for now, I want to think. My hair is full. Jesus. Nishi na wam. Ezigbo isi. Hi. Ezigbo isi na wam. Jesus Christ. Wetin this woman wan achieve? Wetin you wan achieve for this video? See me now. Jesus. No wonder the man say I be bad person. I know anything. Hey, these people go put me for one. They go put me for one one gbege one day o. Ha, mban. Mo everybody, mo dey go. Oh, you shock? You shock, abi? Your shock sef no reach my own. I no, mo just dey go out.